this program, which is into competency mapping and competency management, all the participants will have a lot of learning, a lot of value to be taken back, and you can apply it to your own organization. Okay. So it has 4 sessions. So in session 1, we are going to give you, though you have a great understanding, we will be covering what exactly is a competency, and then we will look at an iceberg model. We'll also look at broad classification of competencies, and then how do we measure this competency, then how do we prepare competency dictionaries, and how do we use this competencies for the organization in terms of HR processes. How do we use this competency management as a very effective strategic HR tool? So this will be a session 1. In session 2, which is really very, very critical, and that's where I think most of you, we will focus. I will try to do most of the theory in session 1, so that because in 3 hours, we will focus more in terms of how do we do competency mapping, because that's very, very critical. How do we go about doing competency mapping? How do we define competencies for a role? What are those steps? We will be learning job element analysis. How do we then try to do the knowledge and skill, the functional analysis, the behavioral competencies. We'll look at different kinds of behavioral competency frameworks, the inventory method or the customized method. So we will be focusing more with reference to the competency mapping as such, where the entire, that is the anatomy of competency map in terms of, starting from how do you define competencies, then how do you create the competency model, how do you do the bars, which are called the behavioral indicators, how do you create that. In session 3, having said that, then once we have defined competencies for the roles, then how do we assess them? So we will look at assessment centers. So we will learn about assessment centers. We'll learn about what are assessment centers, developmental centers. Then how do we design an assessment center? What kind of techniques do we use? And you will actually get to designing an assessment center. Okay. And in the 4th, we will be doing in detail one use of competency management as a strategic HR tool. We will be looking at what talent acquisition, or what we will be looking at as recruitment. We will be doing the competency based interviewing with the help of behavioral interviewing techniques. So this will also be a very broad based and depth based kind of a session, where we will look at the entire BEI process, the competency based interviewing. What is that one need to really do in a competency based interviewing, and how to make your entire recruitment process very, very effective. These are a list of learning objectives where you're going to really learn with these with this competency management program, where you will get to understand the nature and concept of competencies, evolution of competency based management, understanding competency scales, bars, what are these cluster competencies, mapping competencies to people, and how do you design and run an assessment center, and how to select candidates based on the competency-based interviewing. So these are some of the learning objectives, because you must always have some learning objectives when you do a session.